Something feels different about you, but I think I like you this way. Need something to put me to bed now, cause you got me running away. Baby, I just might come over and get in your bed right now. Baby, you can't get enough and you're turning me red right now. I don't think I saw that shit coming the way you be touching me. You could do it again and again and it's still not enough for me. Oh baby, I knew this would happen, I knew you would poison me. Maybe I wanted to end, but depend on the way that it tortures me. I'm stuck in the heat of the moment. You're getting me going, you're getting me. Tell me again what you think about when you wake up in the morning. Tell me again who you're missing, who you're missing. Yeah. Was I kissing your neck? Did it feel good? And who you letting me know? Keep this shit up and you just might hit me someday. Tell me again I'm awake cause of you and it's 4 in the morning. Tell me again you want me. Do you want me like I want you? Tell me again if you want me. Do you want me? Do you want me? Cause I want you, I want you, I want you.
Карина Kovaleva, город Минск, Республика Беларусь. Большое спасибо.